kind of at a like stuck point because I'm sorting through things and I'm feeling kind of a lack of containers. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't know if you guys saw my closet clothing declutter that I did. I think it was like day 2 or 3. I'm gonna sneeze. Ah. My neighbor is burning brush again. It's a thing they do. It's okay. We do it too. It's just for some reason his brush is really smoky and all my windows are closed and it's still getting to me. Anyways, I have a couple of large baskets full of empty products. Like a lot. Like I've been saving it since before we left our apartment, possibly. Anyways, I'm gonna go get those. I'm gonna dump them out here, show you what I have, quickly go through some of the things, and then throw it all away. So I'm not gonna talk about every single product because that would be insane, but I will talk about products that I have repurchased, and I will talk about products that I completely hated or strongly disliked. So anything else you can assume, it was fine. Pixie Glow Tonic I have repurchased. Ooh, I remember I loved this one. I haven't repurchased it yet. All right, this, unfortunately, this is the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil. It's supposed to be like an exfoliating scrub for dandruff and flaky scalp and dry scalp, which I have really badly, and unfortunately this did not work for me. I used the whole tub up. It smells really good and it feels kind of nice, but it didn't really do anything for me, and it's not cheap, so unfortunately I will not be repurchasing this one. Another one that I didn't love was the Milani Make It Dewy Setting Spray. This was just a little bit too greasy for me, and it also, the bottle leaked, so that's not good. But I just remember it feeling really greasy because it's not even all the way gone, so that was a fail. Pretty much anything by Shea Moisture, like I have gone through a bajillion of these. I don't know why I can't get the last of it out. I hate that, but pretty much anything by Shea Moisture. This is their conditioner. I have a bunch of their curl and style creams that I go through a lot. Also this Botanics eye makeup remover I have repurchased. Again, a lot of my Arbonne stuff I've gone through a lot. These are starting to get old and expired. That's why I'm getting rid of these now, but I have used Arbonne products for a long time. I don't purchase them anymore, but I still am using up what I have. This Dove Ultra Care Conditioner was sent to me, I think it was in Influencer, and I really enjoyed it. It didn't last very long. Like, the bottle itself ran out pretty quick, and that would be the only reason I wouldn't repurchase it. Although, now that I'm looking at it, I think I kind of do want to try to find this in the store because I really did like this. It's a really lightweight conditioner, but it really works. I remember this was a terrible fail. It was a a TJ Maxx purchase, and it just doesn't feel good at all. Like, it just disappears on my skin. So that was a fail. Love, love, love this stuff. This is L'Oreal Air Dry It Ruffled Body Mousse. I've repurchased. I think I have 2 of these right now. I have one right next to the camera right there that I put in my hair today because I really love this stuff. It's for air drying hair, and that's pretty much all I do. So yeah, I love this stuff. I've mentioned this before, I know, on this channel, but this e.l.f. glitter mask was a complete fail. It's just too painful and too irritating on the skin. The Milani setting spray, I know I've repurchased that. All right, everything we have left is makeup, and I just wanted to kind of talk on it. So the Too Faced Hangover RX primer setting spray, whatever deal. I really love this. This bottle unfortunately leaked, so I'm kind of considering whether I want to buy it again, but I really did love this product. This is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Golden. This is amazing. I need to buy this again. I need to get this again because it is like the best foundation for me, the best finish, coverage, color, everything. So yeah, that was a good one. I also love my, oh, gross. That's gross. Too Faced Born This Way concealer, the old one I loved. This is the Arbonne concealer I really love. The ColourPop concealer, I thought I loved it so much that I ordered a backup, but I haven't actually opened the backup yet because after this, like, it just didn't last very long and it just doesn't look very good, so I don't know. And then the rest of these, let's see, this went bad. And the rest of these just got used up. So Makeup Revolution Stick Foundation. Yep, I love this too. This was a really nice one. I should buy this again. And my Arbonne CC Cream in the shade medium. I have repurchased that. That's not garbage yet. Makeup Revolution Eyebrow Pomade did not work for me. This is the CoverGirl Eyebrow Pomade, which I pretty much used up, so it did work for me. This is the e.l.f. Beautifully Bare mascara that I love. It's been discontinued, but I don't even want to talk about that. That's old. This is old. And then this is the Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation that I used up. Now I have these two boxes that I can put more crap in. Yay!